Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey behind the scenes of the aviation world. Beneath the smiles and impeccable service, flight attendants have a trove of secrets to share. Today, we will unveil remarkable insights that reveal the hidden facets of their profession. Beyond the passengers, flight attendants transport precious cargo, including live transplants like hearts and lungs. This mission sometimes grants them the privilege of fast-track takeoff and unique shortcuts to their destination. On board, you'll find a crash axe, a tool designed for extreme situations. While it won't pierce the aircraft's skin or windows, it's a critical safety measure should the need arise. Ever wondered about planes being struck by lightning? Modern aircraft are designed to withstand these electrifying encounters, ensuring your safety even in stormy skies. Flight attendants wear fire-resistant uniforms to a certain extent, ensuring their readiness for any unforeseen fire-related emergencies. Did you know that lavatory doors can be opened from the outside? It's a safety feature, just in case someone inside needs assistance during a flight. Please, remember to never enter a lavatory with bare feet. Those floors are not always as pristine as you might expect. And engaging in intimate activities. Rest assured, flight attendants are keenly aware of such incidents. If you fancy more than just tea or coffee, ask for a latte or cappuccino. These espresso delights are available for all passengers, and they won't cost you a dime. When flying short distances, it's a good idea to bring antibacterial wipes. After landing, flight attendants often have to clean up the cabin, and you won't believe what they find on tray tables. The use of electronic devices during a flight is strictly controlled, and enabling flight mode is crucial. It ensures seamless communication between the ground and the pilot, safeguarding your journey. It may surprise you, but there's almost always something amiss with a plane. As long as it meets the minimum equipment list, it's cleared to fly. Safety is paramount, and airlines don't cut corners. Remember, flight attendants don't get paid while the aircraft is on the ground. So, please, show kindness and patience when you board the plane and deal with luggage and other concerns. To prevent food poisoning, pilots often choose different meals. This ensures that in the rare case of one meal causing illness, both pilots won't be affected simultaneously. If you're not a fan of turbulence, consider selecting a seat near the front of the aircraft. Turbulence is milder there, and for those extra anxious moments, try relaxation aids like lavender oil. On almost every flight, some passengers may give flight attendants unwanted attention. It's a challenging situation, but flight attendants handle it with grace, often with the support of ground staff. When flights are delayed, passengers are often not given the full story. Airlines may cite external factors like weather to avoid providing accommodations. However, sometimes the real issue is a mechanical one. Ever wonder why flight attendants greet you as you board? It's not just courtesy. They are sizing you up to ensure a safe and pleasant flight. Think twice before drinking the onboard tap water. Although it's not terrible, the water tanks may not get cleaned as frequently as you'd prefer. Turbulence might make you nervous, but please, always wear your seatbelt. There has never been a recorded crash due to turbulence. Safety is paramount. Ever wonder why cabin lights are dimmed during night landings? It's to help your eyes adjust to the darkness, ensuring better visibility in case of an emergency evacuation. Hard landings during bad weather are intentional. They help the aircraft puncture any water on the runway, preventing aquaplaning and ensuring a safe arrival. Mobile devices won't bring down an airplane, but they can interfere with pilots' communication. This can be a major inconvenience, especially during crucial phases of the flight. Once the aircraft doors are closed, the captain wields substantial authority. They can make arrests, issue fines, and even take the will of a dying passenger, all in the name of safety. A secret cabin exists for flight attendants, often located upstairs, where they can take much-needed rest on long-haul flights, ensuring they are at their best to ensure your safety and comfort. Flight attendants are not allowed to accept tips. If you've had an exceptional experience, consider writing a complimentary letter to the airline, which can go a long way in recognizing outstanding service. Flight attendants might pretend to adjust the temperature, but planes are generally kept cold for a reason. Warm temperatures can exacerbate turbulence and discomfort. Pouring Diet Coke on the plane can be a flight attendant's challenge. It fizzes longer than other carbonated drinks, making the service less efficient. Politeness goes a long way. If you ask nicely, flight attendants are more likely to assist. However, being rude or demanding may not yield the same results. During gate delays, flight attendants are not getting paid, and they share passengers' frustrations. They are as keen to get the flight moving as you are. Hairspray can set off smoke alarms in the lavatory, and yes, flight attendants can detect vaping. Safety is the top priority. Choosing a seat near the restroom might seem convenient, but it's not always the best choice. When the lavatory needs repairs, all the toilet parts are stored nearby, making those seats less appealing. And there you have it, fascinating flight attendant secrets that pull back the curtain on air travel. The next time you board a flight, remember that flight attendants are dedicated to your safety and comfort, and these insights shed light on their world. If you enjoyed this video and found it enlightening, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more captivating glimpses into the aviation industry. Fly safely and remain curious.